to a brand new episode of my YouTube channel Vacant. So, today, before going to our video's topic, let me ask you something. Do you know what is camouflage? Yes, so what is camouflage? So, today in this video, I am going to tell you what the best and beautiful example of a camouflage. So, to know its answer, just go and see my full video. Don't forget to see my full video until the last. So, before going to our video, today's new word, nemophilist, spelling Nemophilist, which means a person who really loves nature or jungle a lot. So, today's new word is nemophilist. So, let's go to the video. Let's go! Well, let's know more about their scientific classification. So, kingdom of sea slugs is Animalia, its phylum is Mollusca, class is Gastropoda, subclass is Heterobranchia, clade is Nudibranch or Nudibranchia, order is Cuvid. A group of soft-bodied marine creatures which shed their shells after their larva stage. By the cute names which they get because of their colors of their body as sea rabbits, dragons, clowns, dancers, splendids, etc. There are currently more than 3,000 species of sea slugs. The branch comes from the Latin word nudus, which means naked, and the ancient Greek word branchia, which means gills. So their scientific ancient name as naked gills.
Nudibranches are oftenly called sea slugs as they are a family of opistobranches with the phylum Mollusca, but many sea slugs belongs to several taxonomic groups which are not really closely related to nudibranches. A number of these sea slugs, such as the photosynthesis Sagaclosa and the colorful adalage, are often confused with nudibranches. Nudibranch occurs in sea worldwide, ranging from the Arctic through the temperate and or tropical regions to the southern ocean around Antarctica. They are almost entirely restricted to salt water, although a few species lives in salt water, in brackish water actually. Nudibranch lives at virtually all depths, from the intern zone to the depths well over 700 meters. The greatest diversity of nudibranch is seen in warm, shallow reefs. Although a new nudibranch species was discovered at a depth near 2,500 meters, that is 8,200 feet from the sea level. Nudibranchs are benthic animals found crawling over the substrates. The only expectations to this are the Neostonic glaucous nudibranch, which floats upside down just under the ocean surface. The pelagic nudibranch Cephaloptermentius, which swims in the water column, and Phyral Bisalum. All nudibranches, the male and the female, sexual openings are on the right side of their body, reflecting their asymmetrical origins. They lack a mantle cavity. Some species have the venomous appendages on their each sides, which deter predators. Many also have a simple gut and a mouth with a radula. Eyes in the sea slugs are simple and able to discern little more than light and dark. Their eyes are set into the body, are about a quarter of millimeter in diameter and consist of lens and 5 photoreceptors. Nudibranchs vary in adult size from 4 to 600 millimeter. The adult form is without a shell or operculum. That is, in shielded gastropods, the operculum is a bony or horny plate that can cover the opening of the shell when they are born. Species have a direct development and the shell is shed before the animal emerges from the egg mass. The name nudibranch is appropriate since the dorus breaks through a naked gill shaped into the branchial plums in a rosette on their backs. By the contrast, on the back of their eyelets in the clade, Cladobranchia, brightly colored sets of protecting organs called ceretra are present. Nudibranchs have cephalic tentacles which are sensitive to touch, smell, taste, and to see also. It's really creepy. Club-shaped dinopores are also detected. help detecting in odors. Most important as well as interesting thing is that they are the number one masters of camouflage. So do you know what is camouflage? Yes, camouflage is something that all the animals have by in their nature itself. Like these camouflage experts blend to their surroundings and are protected by, they are saved by the predators, as these camouflages help them to live long. As do you know about stick insect that exactly look like a stick? I have so many stick insect here. I don't know. It's like we cannot even know that it is standing here or there. Like they are actually blended to their surrounding, as they are, when we see it, they are actually seen like a twig or a stick just standing with some legs. But we cannot even identify that it is legs, and that is called camouflage. And these creatures are number one masters of camouflage, as their body is covered with so many colors, and these types of colors are present in their seas, like the sea coral, sea reefs, and so many things have these types of colors. And when they stand really near to it, we cannot even identify that as creature is standing or is staying there. Like that, they are blended to their nature. So that is why they are known as the number one masters of camouflage in the sea. Ants are hermaphroditic, thus have a set of reproductive organs for both sexes, male and female. But they cannot fertile themselves. Meeting usually takes few minutes and involves a dance-like courtship. Nudibranchs typically deposit their eggs within a gelatinous spiral, which is often described as looking like a ribbon. The number of eggs varies. It can be as few as just 1 or 2, or as many as estimated to 25 million. The eggs contain toxins from the sea sponges and are means of deterring predators. After hatching, the infants looks like so cute there. We cannot even know that these are the small babies of sea slugs. All nudibranchs are carnivorous. Some feed on sponge, others on hydroids, and others on bronza, and some others eat their own species or their eggs. And sometimes these animals are cannibals too, and they prey on their own species. Surface-dwelling nudibranch, Glaucus atlanticus, is a specialist predator of symphenophores, such as Portuguese man-o-war. This predator molluscus sucks air into its stomach to keep it afloat, and using its muscular foot, it clings to the surface below. If it finds a small victim, Glaucus simply envelops it with its capacious mouth. But if the prey is larger symphonar, the molluscus nibbles off its fishing tentacles, the one carrying the most potent nematocyst. Like some other kind of its own kind, Glaucus does not digest the nematocysts, but instead it uses them to defend itself by passing them into its gut to the surface of its skin. So this is their defense mechanism. So friends, that's all for today's lesson about sea slugs as well as nudibranchs. So I hope you all have got the answer of my first question right. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, as well as comment my videos and recommend this to your friends, families, and lot more. So friends, bye bye till my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching. Ta-ta! Crawling and substrate. The only expectations to this are the new